Please like and subscribe our channel. This is for 10th class. The pair of linear equations in two variables, part 2, 10th class. Topic: the pair of linear equations in two variables, methods. Solve 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 by elimination method. First, minus 5 is equal to 0, 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. First, these equations, constants and right side. This is equation number 1. 3x minus 2y is equal to plus 4. This is equation number 2. So first choose eliminating either x or y, any one variable. So now eliminating the variable y. So now coefficients of y are, what are the coefficients? Y coefficient here 1 and 2. So now LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So both y coefficients make them equal to 2. So first equation 1 should be multiplied with 2 because y coefficient 1, and equation number 2 should be multiplied with 1. Now equation 1 full, 2 into 2 2s are 4, 2 into y 2y, 2 5s are 10, and second equation multiplied by 1. So we'll get same. Now here plus 2y minus 2y will be cancelled. So that's why you will do plus. So 2y cancel, 4x plus 3x 7x. Here 10 plus 4 14. Now x is equal to 14 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So x is equal to 2. So now substitute x is equal to 2 in equation number 1 or 2, your wish. So 1 is better, I thought. So what is the first equation? 2x plus y is equal to 5. In this equation x replaced by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus y is equal to 5. Now y is equal to 5 plus 4 transfer this side minus 4. So y is equal to 1. Therefore what is here? Y is equal to 5 minus 4, y is equal to 1. Therefore the solution of the equation. What is the solution? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So this is called elimination method. Y eliminated in this sum. Once again, so solve the two equations by elimination method. So first constants and right side, equation 1, equation 2. Choose eliminating either x or y. So I selected y, eliminating from the two equations. Coefficient of y are 1 and 2. So LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So now equation 1 should be multiplied with 2. Equation 2 should be multiplied with 1. So here y coefficient is 2. Here 2. 2y cancel. 4x, 3x, 7x. 10 plus 4, 14. Now x is equal to 14 by 7. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. Okay, now x is equal to 2. So substitute x is equal to 2 either equation number 1 or 2. But here equation number 1 is better. So 2x plus y is equal to 5. That is equation number 1. So x replaced by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 sending right side, y is equal to 5 minus 4. So y is equal to 5 minus 4 value 1. Therefore the solution of the equation x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So this is the equation. So this is the first sum, eliminating method. So when we are solving the pair of linear equations, we have three methods. From that algebraic method there are elimination method and substitution method. So this is the elimination method. solve 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 by substitution method. So this is the second method from algebraic. This is second method for algebraic expressions, algebraic method. So from that algebraic method, second method is substitution method. First you can write 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And the second equation is 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. From these two equations, any one equation you can select first from equation number 1. From the equation number 1 means 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. From that any one taken as subject, remaining all send one side. Here x or y keep one side, remaining all send right side. So y is equal to, I am taking y. So minus 5 send right side plus 5. Here 2x sending right side minus 2x. So y taken as subject. Now substitute y is equal to 5 minus 2x in equation number 2, because from equation number 1 y taken as subject. So that write in second equation. So 3x minus 2 into y place write 5 minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 3x minus 2 5s are 10, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4, minus 4 is equal to 0. So here x terms are there, only in this x equation x is only there. So 3x plus 4x 7x. Here minus 10 minus 4 minus 14. So minus 14 and right side, 7x is equal to plus 14. X is equal to 14. Now x is equal to 14 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Therefore x value is 2. Now x got it. We need y also. So now substitute x is equal to 2 in equation number 1 or 2. Your wish. Equation number 1 is better. So that is, first equation is 2x. X value is 2 plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2 2s are 4 plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now what we get? So y minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 5 plus 4. So y is equal to, we need to find y is equal to, so that is, now minus 1 and right side plus 1 will get. So therefore the solution of the equations. What is the solution? X value is 2, y value is 1. That sometimes we'll write 2 comma 1. Like this also right. So finally once observe, this is the substitution method. What is the method? Substitution method. See once. First two equations are given, substitution method. From the two equations, one is equation number 1, second one is equation number 2. Any one equation you can select, either equation number 1 or 2. Equation number 1 selected, from that y taken as subject, remaining minus 5 sending right side plus 5 minus 2x. Substitute y is equal to 5 minus 2x in another equation, means second equation. So y place right 5 minus 2x, after that simplified. So x value got 2, substitute x is equal to in any equation, either 1 or 2. 1 is better. So that's why x replaced by 2. 2 2s are 4. So that I did. So y minus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Therefore the solution of the equation is 2 comma 1. So these are two methods. One is elimination method, another one is graphical method. This is the third method to find linear equations in two variables. Solve 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 by graphical method. So first we can solve these two equations. Find the solutions. Find the solutions for these two equations separately, and after that do the graph. So we can take first equation, graph of, what is the equation? 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the first graph of first equation. So from the equation any one taken as subject, either x or y. So first 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So y is taken as subject, plus 5 minus 2x. So now take table x, y, x comma y. So you can take x value, will get y values. That is the solutions. First of all, x value, for suppose you can take 0. For suppose 2 into 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. So 0 comma 5. Not only that, you can take 1. For suppose x replaced by 1. 2 1s are 2. 5 minus 2, 3. So this is 1 comma 3. More 1 you can take. For example, minus or plus you can take. For suppose 2 only better. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. So 2 comma 1. So here 3 solutions, means 3 points we got. For this line we have 3 solutions. So more solutions are there. We found only 3 solutions for this. So this is the table for 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Next, graph of second equation. 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation, second equation. So first that equation, 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. From that, y coefficient minus is there. So send right side. 3x minus 4 is equal to minus 2y sending right side plus 2y. Next, 3x minus 4 by y. 4 by 2. 3x minus 4 by 2 is equal to y. Y taken as subject. So 2 send this side. So okay, now x, y, x comma y. X, y, x comma y you can find now. So for this x value you can take that, simplify, and it is should be divisible by 2 or not, check it. For suppose here write 0, x place write 0, 3 into 0, 0, minus 4 by 2 means minus 2, 0 comma minus 2. For suppose you can take here 1, minus 1 by 2, don't take fraction, better to take only some integers. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 4, 2, 2 by 2 value is 1, so 2 comma 1. If you want to take 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 4, 5, no need to take. For suppose 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 4, 8, yes, 3 4s are, so 4 you can take better, 3 4s are, so 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 4, 8, 8 by 2, 4, 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 4, 8 by 2, 2 4s, so 4 comma 4. So we have here 3 solutions for this equation. So this is tables formation for the graphical method. Graph method, table formation. So table forming, here I am drawing just how to draw on the board. So just I am explaining through the paper how to draw the graph, just without using graph how to do it. So first you can take x-axis. This is horizontal real number line is called x-axis. So x-axis. Here it is x dash. Next, vertical real number line is called y-axis. This is called y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. This is a graph sheet. Just remember, this is origin O. So right side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. Here downside also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here y dash. This is the graph sheet. Drawing the graph sheet on the paper. Plotting points on the graph sheet. How to plot the points? So 0 comma 5, x value 0, y value 5. Next 1 comma 3, x value 1, y 1 comma 3. Next 2 comma 1. This is 2 comma 1. We should draw straight line. So next here 0 comma minus 2. This is the 3 lines you got now. So from the 3 points you can draw straight line. That line name also write. What is that? 2x plus y minus y is equal to 0. Okay, more one. 0 comma minus 2, x value 0, y value minus 2. This is 0 comma minus 2. Next 2 comma 1, this is 2 comma 1. Next 4 comma 4, 4 comma 4. This is 4 comma 4. So here already I wrote 1 comma 3, here 0 comma 5. Okay, so passing through these 3 points you should draw a line. Exactly on the line you will get this equation is 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the common point for that? 2 comma 1. So the two equations had one common point, 2 comma 1. That is the solution for the graph. Just I want to show through the graph sheet. This is the graph sheet. On the graph sheet you will get like this line. How they are intersecting also you will get 2 comma 1 point they are intersecting at 2 comma 1.